Let's take a look at this problem. We're going to find dy dx, find derivative of y with respect to x. Okay, we got 7y to the third plus xy equals 6x. Well, we'll take the derivative of everything where it's sitting. So we'll take the derivative of 7y to the third with respect to x plus the derivative of xy with respect to x and the derivative of 6x with respect to x. Now the middle part here, this is the product. We've got something times something else, so p times q. So we need p prime. Derivative of x is 1. We need q prime. The derivative of y is 1. But since we're taking a derivative with respect to x, and it's really y, we always have to add on our y prime. Our formula is p prime q plus p q prime. Well, the derivative of 7y to the third. 7 stays out in front. Y to the third, you take your power, put it out in front, lower it by 1. But since we're taking a derivative with respect to x, and it's really a y, we have to put a y prime on there. Okay, now we'll plug in p prime, q, and p and q prime. P prime we said is 1, so we've got plus 1 times q, which is y, plus p, which is x, times q prime, which was y prime, equals derivative of 6x is 6. Let me double check that. 1y and then x. Yes. Okay. So 7 times 3 is 21. So we got 21 y squared y prime plus that 1 drops away, and we got y plus x y prime is equal to 6. Now we want to get y prime by itself. So our first step is to get rid of parentheses. Don't have any. Second step is to get rid of fractions. Don't have any. Third step is to get everything with y prime on one side, everything else on the other side. So I'm going to take this y and move it over to the right side. So we'll have 21 y squared y prime plus x y prime is equal to 6 minus y. Step 4, if y prime is in 2 or more pieces, 2 or more terms, or whatever you're talking about, then factor it out. Well, these terms here are separated by the plus, so I'm going to factor out a y prime. And that leaves us 21 y squared plus x equals 6 minus y. Last step, divide both sides by what's in front of / behind a y prime. There's nothing in front of it, but there's a 21 y squared plus x after it. So we'll divide both sides by that. 21 y squared plus x, and divide this side by the same thing. So 21 y squared plus x. Those cancel, and we got y prime is equal to 6 minus y over 21 y squared plus x. We could do a little bit of simplifying, not very much. We could put the standard form, the top part. The bottom part, really couldn't do much of anything if I assume y. I'm writing them in terms of y's, but that's our answer.